What internet marketing expert should you spend your valuable time listening to? Listen to someone who has over 20 years of web marketing experience and hundreds of website marketing success stories. That man is Aaron Sparks from Site Strategics. And this is Edge of the Web Radio.
So we got a great article here talking about WordPress. There's a lot of WordPresses out there, Joomla, Drupal, Django.
Oh, CMSs, yeah.
Yeah, SharePoint. But the one that we at Site Strategics and DK New Media Marketing Blog use most is WordPress. And it's definitely become the top dog over the years. It was, like I said earlier, it was launched in 2003. And it was mainly a blogging service. Wasn't really into the internet marketing thing around 2003. I was still in high school, but it was mainly a blogging software, not Surface. I mean, blogging software. But that's changed recently here as it's grown. It's even Samsung, CNN, Forbes, TechCrunch, NFL are actually using it. So we got top 10 reasons why we say WordPress is the best choice to build a new website here in 2014. Number one is WordPress is packed with standard features. Although WordPress has retained its ease of use and back-end interface for a number of years, the features list has grown pretty much every year and with every update. I know with me, I went to school, I was a broadcasting major, not anything to do with internet marketing, and I was able to pick up WordPress very easily and able to switch around menus and upload photos and create a post, and that makes it very, very easy to use, especially for those first-time beginners and local business owners. They kind of get hesitant when we're talking about, hey, well, you can just throw up a quick blog real quick, and they're like, I don't really want to do that. Right. But it actually is pretty easy.
Well, we've talked to several clients that, they have to put a change request in with their IT team.
Oh, yeah, it's ridiculous.
And it's going to be 3 months out because, they're backed up and everything else. And it's like, why aren't you using a content management system?
Well, I do training on WordPress. We tell our clients, for the most part, if they learn one part of the system, they know all of it. Like if they have a page that they need to publish, it's pretty similar to a blog post or custom post type. So
the second point was the learning curve. I was saying earlier,
you hit it.
Yeah, good transition. It's like you do the professional.
I'm psychic, guys.
Like we were saying earlier, creating a new post is very easy. Just a blog post or a page. It's actually just like editing a Word document.
Yep.
If you know how to bold a text, or if you're more proficient, if you think you're pretty proficient in Word, you can actually be pretty proficient at WordPress, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree.
Agreed.
Number three is themes. The themes, there's thousands of different themes out there. When you first install WordPress, it comes with some canned themes. They're kind of basic. There's some other free ones out there,
which are actually pretty good, though.
Yeah, they are.
Honestly.
Mm-hmm. Yes, the newest one. I really like the newest one, too.
The 2014?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, 2014.
2014, yeah. But, yeah, there's tons of different themes out there, and you can go, and each theme, you got ranges from $20 to $60 for a new theme.
Yeah, and if you have a custom design, even if you go to a custom design, you can go get themes made around that custom design. Mm-hmm. So I think a lot of people think, well, I can't find my theme, so WordPress isn't good because I can't make it look like what I want.
Yeah,
well, you can make WordPress look like anything.
Yeah,
anything. So it's just a matter of finding the right partner to develop that theme for you and get it up and going. But we've taken clients from Joomla and and what was the other one?
Drupal.
We converted and basically built the same exact site, but built it on WordPress so that we could manage it easier.
Yeah, number 4, WordPress is easy to monetize, especially for a blog website, but also the e-commerce. There's the WooCommerce plugin that you can easily that you can easily install into your website and set up your own online cart. So even if you're like a small shop, but you want to sell T-shirts and some other things, you can easily set up a shopping cart environment within WordPress.
Very easy,
and it's free, which is very cool. Number 5, lots of great plugins.
Yes.
There are over 30,000 plugins. I thought that was kind of low.
Yeah, I think that's low.
I think that was low.
They've cut a lot.
Have they?
I can't remember where I read it. I think it was Search Engine Land or on one of those. But if the ratings were especially low and the downloads were low, they
just cut it.
They also don't show them if there hasn't been an update to the plugin in like a year. Or
Really?
something.
Yeah. You got to update to the latest version.
Yeah. So 30,000 or so. We'll put that in quotation marks. Plugins available straight from WordPress. So I mean.
And you can build them yourself.
You can even build your own plugins as well. But if you're tired of the way your photo galleries look, you can find a new plugin. Or if you want a easy way to set up your email campaign and have them feed straight into your email, there you go. Huh?
CircuitPress.
Yeah, there we go. There's a quick plugin for that too. And later in the show, quick tease. We call this a deep tease in the industry. We'll be sharing some of our favorite plugins that we use in the fourth segment here of the show.
We better make the list.
Number 6 is WordPress gets updated regularly.
Yes.
WordPress is so popular that it never stops. While it can seem that it's a never-ending job, it shows that WordPress is constantly evolving and improving. I think we're on 3.9 now, and
and updates are just as easy as like on your mobile phone. You just literally click a button and update, and you're good to go.
Yep.
And it's kind of impressive given that their team really isn't that big.
Yeah.
WordPress's team is not. I didn't even realize that.
I think it's less than
on the open source side, they have so many developers out there outside of. But
I mean,
Automatic is a fairly small company, 14 people or something like that.
It's small.
I guess I never realized that.
Yeah.
We met them out in L.A. I think at Blog World.
Good people.
Yeah. Cool people.
Cool. Number 7, support is second to none. With WordPress being such a popular platform, there's a large community of developers that are active.
Yeah.
Aside from WordPress resources, you'll find an abundance of third-party forums for assistance.
Yeah. And if somebody you work with sucks, you can go find 10 more people out there. Yep.
Or if you have any question of why this isn't working in WordPress, a quick Google search will generally find you the answer you need, since it's so popular.
They've created an industry where people can make money.
Yeah.
They've created jobs.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy to think about. Anyway, go ahead.
No, we can keep talking about that. Number 8, SEO is made super simple. WordPress is inherently quite SEO friendly with the ability to create SEO friendly URLs. We kind of talk about that on the show frequently. And WordPress, with just a couple clicks, you're good to go. Plus, with the ability to add some of the SEO plugins that are out there, your website can perform an SEO pretty quickly.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Great.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
We're just here for side effects, guys.
Number 9, setting a WordPress website is very inexpensive. Since WordPress is open source,
it can be.
Yeah, it can be. Let's say they're to a point. I mean, if you want, especially a lot of the neat features that you can do with WordPress, it's going to cost you some money. But if you just, like we said, they've got the canned themes that come with the WordPress install, and you can just start uploading blog posts to that, and that's free to do. And
it's definitely a fraction of the price of some of the enterprise content management systems out there and everything else. But you do get what you pay for. I think a lot of people make the mistake of putting it on a $5 host and getting a $15 theme. And they don't optimize it, and they don't,
and then they blame WordPress.
Yeah, and then exactly, and so if you can get it on a really good hosting company that's fast,
WP Engine,
and has good support and backups and everything else, then it's fantastic. But you should invest a little bit into that stuff.
And our number 10 reason to use WordPress for your website platform.
Because we said so.
Because we said so. That's number 11. But number 10 is WordPress is still the best blogging platform there is. Doug, you say it on the show all the time. You got to be frequent and relevant, and especially with WordPress, you can easily just throw up a blog post, create that blog post, throw it up an image or a photo gallery or something to show that your Google likes that frequency and that relevancy. And if you're communicating with Google on a frequent basis, they like that, and they'll reward you in their rankings.
Well, and the thing is, a lot of people think of it, just as blogging like textual, but if you install the default install of WordPress, you have image type stuff, so you can make it look like an Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
You can do video, have a video site, hosted on it. You can podcasts.
Yep.
It's native,
Yep.
for podcasts and hosting and everything else. So it really is a flexible,
Mm-hmm.
system that can do anything that you really want it to do.